Check out this pre-owned 2017 Ram 2500 Laramie. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 194,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer.